The Rack Shop is proud to present this Jeep Compass, year range 2011 through 2016, that has a factory installed flush rail. We've just installed the Yakima CoreBar SkyLine base roof rack system, but the customer did opt to go with the longer core bar than what is called for. So the called for application is 50 inches in length. This happens to be 60, but with Yakima, it gives you the ability to go with a longer bar with no issue. So you've got the Yakima CoreBar. Below that, you've got the SkyLine Tower that has a quick release feature. So locks are recommended but not required. And that quickly detaches it from the landing pad 19 base that connects to the flush side rail. So a little unique fit tip on this: on the rear landing pad bases, those are actually flipped around from how they are traditionally installed. And that's all in the fit notes and the instructions. So make sure you read that before you get the install going. But 165-pound carrying capacity and crossbar spacing of 27.5 inches. That's center to center. So this is just a quick walk around. For more pictures, details, pricing, availability, click on the link in the description below. And like always, thanks for watching.